At Amadeus is more than just a subject. It's a way of thinking, seeing, and creating the future.
Put our thoughts on a canvas, express ourselves through color, through style. It's so fun.
We had so many opportunities to experiment and try with different materials, different techniques.
And I learned about the curriculum. I really resonated with it and I really liked it. I really liked the freedom that we had, and as well as the ways that we could explore ourselves through art and through our understandings of art. So I thought that Art High Level would be the best class for me.
My dream to become someone and to do work that I like.